What is up, guys? Back again. It is, I think, May 1st, Friday. If you guys been following the page, man, y'all know I got the CBR done. I actually went out on a ride yesterday with one of my friends from work. It did great, man. I'm outside with it right now. Here she is. This is it. This is all I wanted. Just a reliable bike with, minor needs, I guess. It wasn't in the best shape when I first got it, but we did like a full transformation. I guess right now I'll just basically run down everything that I did on the bike thus far. It's still a couple of things that I need to do to it that I probably won't even mention because they're so minor. So I bought the bike for $2,800. I probably gave the guy too much money, honestly, but I had it at the time, so I really wasn't really tripping off of it. Yeah, so I bought it for $2,800, clean title. Well, it's a salvage bike, but I could put it in my name. I guess the guy laid it down. I didn't really ask too much about it. I probably should have, but I took it for a test ride. It had what I knew was wrong with it. I knew I could fix. So on to that. When I first got the bike, it had no back brakes whatsoever. It was like metal to metal. The front brakes are still kind of bad. I need new front brakes. I got a new back tire coming in. I got a new front tire from Cycle Gear. I don't know if you guys can see it down there. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. I got a pair of forks off eBay for like $300. I think it was roughly $300. I got the fairings for $117. I bought some paint from Walmart, just your basic high gloss paint, and basically painted it myself. I didn't prime it or do anything. I just took it like the fairings out of the box and just straight painted them. Oh man, the guys are out. I need to stop recording and go ahead and get up with them. But yeah, we're just gonna I'll probably just take it around the corner just to let you see how it runs, let you guys see how it runs. I might try to pop a wheelie or something, I don't know. I don't want to like destroy it, and I just finished it. But yeah, it's got like high mileages in my book. 23,000 is a lot of miles. But for the price of this bike, as far as the engine goes, mechanically and everything, it runs good for me anyway. I'm not no grade A mechanic or anything. I'm not a mechanic at all. But it goes throughout the gears. It goes pretty fast. That's all I really need. I don't know how long it'll last, but we're gonna keep it going while we can. But yeah, this is it. Nothing too crazy. Just a summer build, man. I like building shit. So I meant stuff. Sorry. So yeah, this was cool. I didn't think I was gonna be able to finish it so fast. I think it took probably like a month, which is pretty fast. Like doing with the lead time of the parts and all that stuff, it's pretty quick. As soon as the parts came in, I just put it on. But yeah, I guess this concludes the build series. I guess I'll just be doing like a lot of moto vlogging from here on out. I don't want to be like that traditional moto vlogger that just rides and just talks about stuff that's going on in the world or bikes. Bikes are cool and everything, but I want motor vlogs to be like an extension of my lifestyle, you know what I'm saying? I'm a pretty wild person. So you may see a vlog start off on a bike and it could end in my car or something, I don't know. And yeah, that's just it for right now. This is 23,700 miles on it. Like I said, yeah, it had a lot of miles when I first got it. Fuel pump comes on, all that stuff. I checked all that stuff. Start up, first crank. I'll back up. I don't want you guys to be like smothered with that sound. Yeah, it's a pretty good bike, man. I like it. So we got a nice little, I don't even know what that is. Volkswagen something. don't plan to sell it, but I guess if I get an offer for it, I want at least what I paid for it and the parts money back, I guess, which wasn't a lot, but for right now this does. I just want to learn how to do wheelies. That's the only reason I solely bought this bike. But guys, hope y'all like it. Hope y'all comment, subscribe. I don't know, maybe if you see some crap that I don't see on the bike that stands out, shoot, drop it in the comments or whatever. I don't like how the crankcase is like sounding right now, but like I said, she goes crazy on the road.